That's 4. Having multiple streams of income is rapidly becoming how people save for retirement. So get out of debt or just build up something, some spending money. My guest now is a financial advisor, but she also started her own business, the Afrobeat Organics Skincare line. I like it. Jemelia Williams-Francis. Mrs. Williams-Francis, good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, man, we can't complain. Give thanks. It's great to have you with us. So you're a financial advisor, are you?
Yes, I am. I am.
So what you doing with skincare and stuff if you're financially advising people? How this start? Tell me about it.
Okay, so in the beginning of the pandemic, right? I got really scared. I had only one income source and I was in the entertainment industry. So I figured I'm gonna lose my job, or I'm probably going to lose my job because entertainment would be one of the first things to go. It's not essential. So I decided to look into an industry where I could make money and do very well. And I found Castor Oil because I found that the market was in need. Like the black Jamaican black castor oil was needed by so many persons in pharmaceutical industry, in everywhere. So I said, you know what, I'm going to start this company and I want to expand that I'm able to start shipping this product internationally and become a top player in the game. So I started out with having the brand first so that it becomes a household name in Jamaica for Jamaicans by a Jamaican. And, you know, it was just funny to see that this small little plant that grows so wildly in our country was so important, you know? So that's how I got into that industry.
Tell me about the importance of castor oil. What does it do? How does it help anyone? What do you do with it?
All right, so the castor oil essentially is used for your face. It is an anti-inflammatory, it is antibacterial. So these things are used on your face for acne purposes, to smoothen out the skin as a moisturizer. But let's get away from the beauty industry and let's look into pharmaceuticals. It is used in a lot of the products that we use right now. We went into industry. The castor oil is being used as lubricants for refrigerators. It is a bio-based raw material. It is used on machinery. So it is very extensive. So at this point, I'm using it as a beauty product for the hair and the skin. So that's why I'm promoting it at this point.
Is it just straight castor oil or you have to mix it up with something, or is it just castor oil and you just put it in a bottle?
So I have more than one product in the line. So the castor oil, the 100%, it's pure, nothing. Traditionally made in Newport, Manchester, Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
Then we have the turmeric soaps, and then we have the hair growth oil. The hair growth oil is where there's a combination of black seed, grape seed, castor oil, moringa oil, and those, you know, vitamin E and so forth. But the castor oil is pure.
Yeah. And how you use it? You just dip a little bit and rub it in your hair. How you use it?
Persons with natural hair, they tend to want, and cream hair actually, they tend to steam it, or they tend to use it in the conditioner as a protective style. When you have on wigs like what I have on now, you know, the castor oil is placed on it and you use it and it helps to strengthen the hair, the molecules of the hair.
Okay.
To prevent breakage and all these things, you know?
That is a wig?
Yeah, it look good though.
Well, I couldn't tell. And the turmeric, so the turmeric is only in the soap form, or you have it in other forms, or what?
So it's in the scrub. So the scrub that you have there, the turmeric is placed in it. So I have a turmeric sugar and body scrub, right? And it is in turmeric soap as well. So yeah, so we have 2 types of turmeric soaps. We have the for normal skin that has more turmeric content in it. And then we have for the more sensitive skin that, you know, we use it, you know, to prevent bumps or any form of rashing or anything like that.
Yeah, you said you thought you were going to lose your job. Well, you have another one now. So how has it gone for you? Is this going well for you thus far?
I love it. I love my new job. I never knew that being a financial advisor would be the best thing that has ever happened to me, because it allowed me to learn a lot more. So it is because of that job that I'm more educated, and I use that education to educate others. So yeah, it's the best thing that ever happened to me, I'm not gonna lie.
No, man, you're so passionate. So any other kinds of soaps or just turmeric soap?
I just did turmeric because my main focus is the castor oil because I do want to go into exporting it internationally. So I am focused on the castor oil.
Yeah, where can we get it right now?
Well, you can go into Maxi department stores in Mandeville. Sometimes import more Glamaholic, and we have it at shopping center. It was formerly Body and Soul. So so those are the 3 places now, and you can get it online. You just give me a DM, shoot me a DM. I either meet you with it or I send it on a Nutsford or, any way that we can assist.
But this is the only size that we have here? This is the only size that it comes in?
We have it in 8 ounces, we have it in 4 ounces, and we have it in 2 ounces.
Yeah, so what kind of cost we talking about?
The 4 ounces is $2,000, the 8 ounces is $3,500, and the 2 ounces is $1,000.
All right, so
but the soaps all are at $1,000, and the scrub I put it at $2,500.
Okay, so when you go and come up with some other things in
working on some stuff, but I'm not gonna release that here. Working on some stuff though, so you'll see it. I'll send it up.
Yeah, man, you are so passionate. I'm very impressed with what you have done, and I pray that everything will work out for you and your family. Thanks for being with us this morning. God bless you. Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, that's our pleasure. Jamelia Williams-Francis, owner of the Afrobeat skincare line. All right, so from a black entrepreneur to black food innovators, that comes up after this quick break. Stay with us, please. Soon.